Last guilty pleasures before I leave. Y'all. Oh man. What's going on, YouTube? We are headed to our station. Supposed to board in about 20-30 minutes. Just got done eating Chick-fil-A. Alright. And we'll be in the Philippines in a couple days. Alrighty. Check with you later. What's going on, YouTube? I am in Qatar airport. And I wanted to show you guys this because this is like the most beautiful airport I've ever seen, man. Like, if you happen to go this way and this happen to be one of your layovers, you really gotta appreciate this, man. Check this out. We're gonna walk through it. So they got like this little like orchard garden kind of trippy deal going on, man. Look at this, bro. What I'll do is I'll get it from the top too. Look like a good place you could probably take some selfies at. Look like they doing something beautiful up there. Like, look at the way like this is like lit up, man. This is so dope. So it's like a trail. You see, and I think this is where like a lot of people probably come to chill out at, get on their phone, probably do some work, waiting on layovers. Because I'd imagine some of these people probably got overnight layovers like I do myself. And that trail leads you out there. So you got this here. So we'll walk around. Then they got like an upstairs. Kind of got like an upstairs part too. I'm going to go upstairs too because I want to show y'all that angle from upstairs. Because like from upstairs, bro, that blew my mind, man. So yeah, like it pretty much just like kind of like it's like right in the center of it, and it just kind of wraps around. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is dope, bro. This got to be like the most beautiful airport I've ever seen, bro. Like, this is crazy. Like, for real, y'all. Like, if it wasn't for like the gate departures and all that, bro, you wouldn't even think this was an airport. Like, look at this, man. Like, look at this waterfall. Just sitting right there, smack in the middle. Like, are you serious? That's live, man. They're doing a little reconstruction right there. But yeah, man, this is dope, bro. I want to walk up. I want to take a trip up these stairs. I want to see what that's talking about too. I ain't been up to that part yet. Then, you know, they got like restaurants pretty much everywhere. And then if you see, they got like an upstairs too. Look like a place you can chill at. I want to go up these stairs. I want to go up these stairs and see what this is talking about. This is crazy, bro. Look at this, man. Now, this is the part of the vlogs that I enjoy the most because, as you guys know, this is my first time traveling overseas. Well, not my first time because I went to Colombia a couple months ago. That was my first time, but like, as far as like an extended amount of time, this is it, man. All right, so now we up here. So they got like a little walkway upstairs. So you can kind of see everything. Hold on. All right. Man, like that's just crazy, bro. Like that right there. I mean, just the building design alone is crazy, and then you factor that in that you just got this orchard just sitting in the middle of it, man. Like, this is crazy, bro. And this is an airport, bro. This is just the airport. See, now, because now all I'm thinking to myself is, it's like, you know what? See, they over there taking pictures. I'm like, this is a real nice little area, man. If you wanted to like do something like photographic, you know what I mean? You into photography or something like that, bro. This is definitely it, bro. This is lit. Like, whoever came up with this design or this idea to put this in the middle of the airport, man, with this building design, like, bro, I can't get over this, man. Like, look at that. What in the world? Like, are you serious? And they just got stores everywhere. They got Dior over there, Gucci, Fendi. They got everything in here. Look, Chanel. Got everything in here. I mean, nothing I really care for, but still, though. Look, Giorgio Armani. Got everything here, man. Man, I'm just more impressed by the design and just the way it looks. That's it, man. Got the orchard down there. It's pretty dope, man. Yeah, man, I thought I should show you guys. I just wanted to share that with you guys, man, because this is pretty dope. Alright, just waiting on this layover, and we will be in the Philippines tomorrow. Alright, deuces. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Wrong, and we are officially in the Philippines. I just got to my apartment that I rented out for the first couple weeks that I'm gonna be spending in Manila. Then, as you guys know, after these 2 weeks, I'll be going to Cebu and then Boracay. So, long hallway, super clean, super nice. Like, man, y'all ain't, I'm like, wait till y'all found out how much I spent on this. Alright, so this, I'm like, this is pretty nice, man, considering. Especially kind of booking at the last minute. So you walk in, alright, and right away, bathroom to the right, sink, mirror, toilet. Kind of like how they got the stand-in shower with the, you know what I'm saying? Because in the Philippines, man, I'm like, some places don't even got the curtain, so I appreciate the privacy. And shout out to Joanne. We know what these are all about now. Shout out to Joanne. Oh, man. And I'm going to be linking up with her probably in the next day or two, all right? Because she's going to be showing me around and helping me out while I'm here. All right. Got your hot stove there, utensils, microwave, you know, got plates, cups, and everything that you would need. And what I did notice is that the person I bought it from, he did a good job of monitoring how much of everything he has and how much it costs. So I'm like, you try to come in here and take something, it is a wrap. All right, and shout out the mail, man. You got your little scrubbies, you want to wash your dishes, you know what I mean, kitchen table. And since you got some outlets there, that's probably where that'll probably end up being my workspace. I'll probably end up doing my reactions and what have you there. Got a little couch right here, TV right there, nice fridge right here, and you got a little fan right there. You know what I mean? A little artwork up, you know. One of my old jobs, we used to actually fold these. Let me see if it's the same way. Oh, nah, they actually got wood in the back. We used to fold them and kind of like put them together at one of my old jobs. It was all made out of cardboard. We used to do that for like Dick's Sporting Goods and other companies. And then where the magic happens, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Got another what looks like a little workspace or something. Probably will end up using it. May put that stool to some use though. It was like a place where you can put your clothes, hang up your shirts. I ain't even take a look and see what's down here. What is this, an iron? Yep, that sure is an iron. You know what I mean? That's what's up. Got an iron. And I'm not sure what's that. Cable modem. Ugh. Okay, it looks like that's for the Wi-Fi and stuff. We got some more outlets out there. That's what's up. Got our AC here. And the bed. I will say this, man. It's exactly how it looks on booking.com, which is where I came across this room at. Now, for the 2 weeks that I'm here, I'm paying, I think it was like somewhere along the range of like $240, $250. And then you got the little, not much of a deck, but you know, it is what it is. I mean, it hurts to get a nice little breeze. And then this is the building, a very huge building. I'm on the 10th floor, you guys. I'm on the 10th floor, you guys, and look how high that goes up. I'm like, bro, this gotta be, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bro, this gotta be every bit of what looks to be about 20 floors. So I'm on the 10th floor, you guys, but I like the view, man. Look like another place you could stay right there. You know what I mean? Look like it's kind of like overlooking the city. Seems to be some nice places to stay over here. I noticed that as I came over here. And guys, it's like not far at all from the airport, man. It felt like it took maybe 15 minutes to get here from the airport, bro. So right now, I gotta say, right now, I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm tired as hell, you guys. I ain't really get settled in till like 1 in the morning. It's like, yeah, it's about 1 in the morning now. And I knew it was gonna be like that because when I landed at 9:30. You know, I had to wait on baggage claim, had to go through, you know, customs and all that. Get my passport stamped. Then had to wait for baggage claim. Then from there, money exchange. Then I had to order what they call Grab here. That's like Uber on the Philippines. And a tip, because this came from Joanne and Mike from the Philippines. If you come to the Philippines, man, order you a ride from Grab, because as soon as you go outside, people go taxi. I was like, oh, nope, I'm getting a Grab. And from the airport to here was 490 Filipino pesos. So let me do the math real quick on my phone, because I know every dollar is like 50. Every dollar right now is like 54.50. So trying to think, man. And then I got a few Filipinas who've been hitting me up since I got in, since I've been on my way here too. Give me 1 second, you guys. I want to see this. How much is 490 Filipino pesos in US dollars?
490 Philippine pesos equals $8.80.
So that's how, excuse me, y'all. One of the girls been hitting me up. So that is how much it costs for me to get here from the airport. Not even $9. Now, I guarantee you, if you was in the United States and you needed a ride from the airport to here, and it was about a 15, bro, that ride couldn't have been no more than 15, 20 minutes tops. Bro, 15, 20 minute ride in the United States, I guarantee you, bro, you probably coming out 3-4 times more than what I paid to get here. All right. So that's what's up. I'm about to get relaxed. As you can see, man, like this is how tired I am, you guys. Like I was just like, man, just throw the book bag on the like, bro, I don't care, man. I'm tired. You know what I mean? I'm about to shower, lay down, relax, chill. I don't know, probably try to get my lab, try to get some things set up. And I really like Filipinos current. I like y'all currency, man. It reminds me of the Colombian currency, man. That look dope. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, that's it, man. I figured, you know, since I just got here, might as well go ahead and give y'all a quick tour of the spot. You know, go ahead and get that out the way, man, because I'm mainly focused on giving you guys good content. You know what I mean? Seeing things for the first time. I'm going to be kicking it with Joanne. And I think there's a few other women that stay here that I've been, like, interacting with through Facebook or WhatsApp. Probably end up linking up with one of them. And, you know, we just going to see. We're going to make the most out of these 2 weeks before I go to Cebu. When I go to Cebu, I'm going to try to link up with Sharon Lapu Lapu, True Girls, and all those guys, too. So yeah, man, this is gonna be a fun-filled experience, exploration, learning new things, all that, man. I want to try to cover everything while I'm here, man. Appreciate you guys showing love. Make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe. Make sure y'all telling people, hey, if they watch the reaction channel, watch the travel channel, bro. Real talk. All right, I need to get these watch hours up. All right, man, I'm about to go ahead and shut it down, bro. Deuces.